Have you ever felt trapped in a cycle where money flows in and out of your account without leaving any room? Do you dream of saving, investing, or starting a business? But discipline seems like a muscle you can't develop. Don't worry, you're not alone in this. Most people struggle with saving. It seems like a constant battle against spending, cravings, and the temptation to live in the present. But what if I told you there's a secret money? Money that accumulates without you even noticing, almost like magic. A habit so powerful, it will effortlessly transform your finances. Get ready to discover the secret that will change your relationship with money forever. From a young age, we're taught to save, but the way we do it is often ineffective. We're told to save what's left at the end of the month. The problem is that for most of us, there's never anything left. This approach turns saving into an act of deprivation. We see it as something that takes away from us, rather than something that gives us freedom. It requires constant willpower, and let's be honest, willpower is a limited resource. Every time you have to consciously decide whether to save or spend, you're fighting a battle, and in that battle, impulsive spending usually wins. That's why many savings resolutions fail. Before they even begin, traditional savings make us feel like we're sacrificing the present for an uncertain future. But there's a way to save that doesn't feel like a sacrifice. A way that integrates into your life without you even realizing it. The heart of this habit is a simple but revolutionary philosophy. Pay yourself first, but not in the way you imagine. It's not just about setting aside money, but doing it automatically and invisibly. Imagine a portion of your income disappearing before you even see it. You don't miss it because you never had it available to spend. That's the power of secret money. This habit turns savings into a fixed expense, like rent or electricity. The difference is that this expense directly benefits you in the future. It's your future self thanking you. The key is automation. By automating your savings, you eliminate the need for willpower. The system works for you in the background, building your wealth without you having to think about it. Implementing this habit is easier than you think. You just need to follow a few clear steps and commit to them. Remember, consistency is more important than the initial amount. Before you start saving, ask yourself, what am I saving for? An emergency fund? A down payment on a house? A trip? Investing in your business? Financial freedom? Having a clear goal will give you motivation. Visualize that goal. Make it tangible. How will you feel when you achieve it? This vision will be your driving force when motivation falters. A well-defined goal helps you stay on track. It's not just about saving. It's about saving for financial independence, or saving to launch my startup. Specificity is key. You don't need to start with large sums. The important thing is to get started. Can you save 20, 50, or 100 euros a month without it hurting? Start there. It's better to start small and stick with it than to try to save a lot and give up. You can adjust the amount later, once the habit is established. Remember, this money should be invisible. If the amount you choose makes you feel like you're depriving yourself, it's too high to start with. The idea is not to miss it. This is the most crucial step. Set up an automatic transfer from your main account to a separate savings or investment account. Do this on the same day you receive your earnings. If you get paid on the first day, schedule the transfer for the first or second. This way, the money moves before you have a chance to spend it. It becomes your secret money. Many banks offer this option for free. Spend a few minutes setting it up, and the system will do the work for you. It's a decision you make once and it benefits you forever. Open a savings or investment account separate from your checking account. Ideally, one that isn't linked to your debit or credit card. This makes it difficult to access money impulsively. The harder it is to access that money, the less likely you are to spend it. Friction is your ally in saving. You don't want it to be just a click away. Consider a low-cost investment account if your goal is long-term. Compound interest is your secret money's best friend. Your money will work for you while you sleep. Once you get into the habit, don't forget it completely. Review your finances every few months or once a year. You can automatically increase the amount you save. As your income grows, so should your secret money. Try to apply the 50-50 rule. If you get a raise, save half and spend the other half. Celebrating your achievements is also important. When you reach a milestone, take a moment to acknowledge your progress. This reinforces the habit and keeps you motivated. This habit isn't just a financial strategy. It's a psychological strategy. It plays with the way our brain processes money and decisions. By automating, we eliminate decision fatigue. You don't have to decide to save every month. You already decided once. This frees up your mental energy for other things. Money you don't see, you don't spend. It's a simple but powerful principle. Your brain adapts to living with the remaining amount, and the secret money accumulates without you even noticing it. Plus, seeing your savings or investment account grow, even slowly at first, creates a sense of control and empowerment. You feel more confident and capable. Once you master the secret money habit for savings, the next natural step is investing. Don't let your money sit dormant in a low-interest savings account. Investing your secret money is like giving it superpowers. Compound interest will make your money grow exponentially over time. It's the eighth wonder of the world. As Einstein said, you don't need to be an expert to start investing. There are simple and accessible options for beginners, such as index funds or ETFs. Start small. The key is consistency and long-termism. Your secret money invested today can grow into a considerable sum in the future. It's your path to financial freedom. Although the secret money habit is simple, there are some mistakes you might make. Being aware of them will help you avoid them and stay on track. Don't start with too ambitious an amount. If you feel overwhelmed, you're likely to give up. It's better to start small and increase gradually. Don't check your savings or investment account every day. Investing is a long-term game. Daily fluctuations can be demotivating. Trust the process. Don't use your secret money for impulse spending. That account is sacred. If you touch it, you break the habit, and the magic fades. Be disciplined with your discipline. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's financial journey is unique. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your own milestones. Think of people who have achieved great things. They didn't do it overnight. They did it with small, consistent steps, day after day. Secret money works the same way. I know people who started saving just 50 euros a month. After a few years, they increased that to 100, then 200. Today, they have solid emergency funds and are actively investing. Entrepreneurs who use their secret money to finance their first projects. Young people who bought their first property thanks to this habit. The story repeats itself again and again. Consistency is your superpower. Don't underestimate the impact of small actions repeated over time. The compound effect applies not only to money, but also to habits. You've got the secret. Now it's time for action. Don't let this information stay only in your head. Change happens when you apply what you learn. Take out your phone or open your computer. Log on to your bank's online banking. Set up that automatic transfer right now. Don't wait until tomorrow. Don't wait until next month. Start with whatever amount you're comfortable with. Open that savings or separate investment account if you don't have one yet. Take the first step, no matter how small. Remember, this isn't a sacrifice. It's an investment in your future, in your peace of mind, in your freedom. It's the greatest gift you can give yourself. Secret money isn't a magic formula for getting rich overnight. It's a powerful and sustainable habit that allows you to build wealth gradually and effortlessly. It's the smartest way to save and invest because it eliminates friction and the need for constant willpower. It becomes an invisible part of your financial life. So, are you ready to uncover your own secret money? Are you ready to take control of your finances and build the future you want? The choice is yours. Start today. Your future self will thank you. See you at the pinnacle of financial freedom. Go for it.